Nonstick cookware is getting more and more popular, and with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the good from the bad and find out what the best nonstick cookware truly is. Links to each product are in the description box below. You'll find the Alva Maestro cookware set worth every penny for its exceptional non-stick performance and healthy cooking features. Backed by a 10-year warranty, the Alva Maestro set brings professional-grade cookware into your kitchen with its 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch skillets. These lightweight pans feature a slick ceramic, non-stick coating that truly delivers on the promise of effortless food release. You'll appreciate how little oil or butter you need when cooking, making healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Built with a durable aluminum body and ceramic non-stick coating, these pans distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. No more hot spots burning parts of your food while leaving others undercooked. The stainless steel handles stay cool during stovetop use and provide a comfortable, secure grip when you're flipping pancakes or sauteing vegetables. Versatility is where this set really shines. You can use these pans on virtually any cooktop, including gas and electric, and they're oven safe for finishing dishes. Cleanup is remarkably simple because most foods wipe away with minimal effort. For busy home cooks, this convenience factor alone might justify the investment. Just remember to avoid metal utensils to maintain that perfect non-stick surface for years to come. Next up on my list of the best non-stick cookware sets is this PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pan set from Fissler, which delivers exceptional German engineering with eco-friendly materials for health-conscious home cooks who don't want to compromise on quality. The Fissler Ceratal pan stands out with its non-toxic and environmentally conscious design. You'll notice the difference in its water-based ceramic coating that eliminates PFAS chemicals while still maintaining impressive non-stick properties. One of the smartest design features is the rivet-free interior. Without those typical bumps where food collects, you get a completely smooth cooking surface that's significantly easier to clean. The extra-large frying surface gives you plenty of room to flip, stir, and turn foods without making a mess. Its warm gray finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setup. Heat distribution is where these pans really shine. The exclusive Cookstar-based technology ensures your food cooks evenly, whether you're searing meat or gently cooking delicate fish. You won't deal with those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a carefully prepared meal. This versatility extends to its compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, making it suitable for virtually any kitchen. The ergonomic handle feels secure in your hand and stays relatively cool during cooking, and its high rim design helps contain ingredients while still allowing easy access for stirring and flipping. For those concerned about cooking safety, this pan offers peace of mind. The PFAS-free construction means you won't release potentially harmful chemicals into your food, even at higher temperatures. Checking in at number 3 on my review of the best non-stick pots and pans, we have the Hestan ProBond 10-piece cookware set. This Italian-made cookware collection combines premium materials with thoughtful design features you'll appreciate daily. The tri-ply construction sandwiches a responsive aluminum core between stainless steel layers, providing rapid and consistent heat distribution throughout each piece. You'll notice fewer hot spots and more reliable cooking results compared to basic cookware. The TITUM nonstick system really sets this collection apart. Unlike standard nonstick surfaces, Hestan reinforces theirs with diamond particles across 5 distinct layers. This innovative approach helps the coating resist scratches and wear that typically doom other nonstick pans to early replacement. The titanium plasma technology anchors everything securely to the cookware's surface for impressive longevity. Curved sidewalls in the frying pans and sauté pan create 20% more cooking surface than standard pans of comparable size. Similarly, the flared, sealed rims make pouring clean and precise while protecting against delamination issues that often plague lesser cookware. You'll find the ergonomic handles particularly comfortable during extended cooking sessions. Secured with flush rivets, they eliminate those annoying food-trapping crevices that make cleaning difficult. Versatility is another strength of this collection. The complete set includes 2 skillets, 2 saucepans, 1.5 and 3 quart, a 3.5 quart sauté pan, and an 8 quart stock pot with matching lids. The entire set works beautifully with all cooktops, including induction, making it perfect for any kitchen setup you might have now or in the future. Checking in at number 2 on my best non-stick cookware set roundup is this 12-piece ceramic cookware set from Caraway, which stands out with its beautiful design and truly non-stick surface that allows eggs and other sticky foods to glide effortlessly across the cooking surface. This performance means you can cook healthier meals using less oil or butter. Each piece in this best-selling set feels substantial and well-made. The collection includes essential pieces for everyday cooking: a 10.5-inch frying pan, 3-quart saucepan with lid, 6.5-quart Dutch oven with lid, and a 4.5-quart sauté pan with lid. The thoughtful storage solutions with magnetic pan racks and a canvas lid holder help keep your cabinets organized and your cookware protected. Heat management is important with these pans. They work best on low to medium heat settings, but they're compatible with all stovetop types and oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. While the initial investment might seem steep compared to traditional nonstick cookware, the health benefits of cooking without toxic chemicals and the durability of properly maintained ceramic coating offer genuine value. If you just want to splurge on the best nonstick cookware, then I highly recommend getting HexClad's 12-piece hybrid cookware set, which brings professional quality cooking to your home kitchen. This collection features a unique hexagon design that combines stainless steel with ProBond ceramic nonstick technology. You get the best of both worlds: excellent searing capability and super easy cleanup. The set includes 3 different size fry pans, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, 2 saucepans, 2-quart and 3-quart with lids, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. Each piece is designed to handle temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for stovetop to oven cooking. The patented laser-etched hexagon design creates stainless steel peaks with non-stick valleys in between. This clever engineering allows you to achieve restaurant-quality sears while maintaining the easy release properties of nonstick. As a result, your eggs will slide right off, and you'll get perfect crust on your steaks. You'll appreciate how these pans distribute heat quickly and evenly thanks to their aluminum core. The triple-layer construction ensures durability while maintaining a lighter weight than traditional cast iron. No more struggling with heavy cookware. Backed by a lifetime warranty, celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay use HexClad at home, and it's been featured as one of Oprah's favorite things. While the price tag reflects its premium quality, you're investing in cookware that's built to last and performs exceptionally well for everyday cooking. So, those are the best nonstick cookware sets on the market today. Although I have my personal favorites, you can't go wrong with any of these products. Let me know in the comments which nonstick cookware set is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well.